Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got the heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be what? This one is so different, guys. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called Cold Wallet.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Professor Crypto!
Best content creator.
Professor Crypto, love it.
Now, do you guys remember when Ethereum was just at 30 cents at the ICO? Yes, I remember that, guys, and I regret not buying it. Now, guys, it's worth over $4,500 for 1 ETH. Don't make the same mistake again, guys. And I'm saying this because this brand new platform, Cold Wallet, is here. And this could be the next big opportunity, okay? Make sure you do your own research about this. But guys, essentially, Cold Wallet is a secure multi-chain crypto wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive crypto assets across various blockchains. They're offering high-speed transactions, a chat-based interface, and built-in utility through its native token, the CWT. Now, guys, it's very important to note that this project is now in its pre-sale phase, all right, the infant phase. CWT tokens are available for early supporters before the public launch. That's why I'm bringing it to you first here on Professor Crypto. You guys already know what it is. We always get the earliest access to these projects. Thousands have already joined the pre-sale, and I wanted to tell you guys about it just so you know. Already $6.6 million raised, as you can see, and they are on the 17th stage. The current price, guys, approximately 0.009. Next price is gonna be around a penny, little over a penny. It's honestly a great opportunity to grow your portfolio. The wallet is supporting multiple blockchains, as I mentioned, guys, giving you full control over your funds. Only you control the keys, guys. Zero tracking with community focused rewards and CWT utility. Cold Wallet is built for both security and growth. The wallet launch with multi-chain support will follow shortly after the pre-sale. Future updates include staking, analytics, premium features, and governance tools. This isn't just another Cold Wallet crypto product, guys. It's a pre-sale moment that sets you up for future gains. The earlier that you buy, the cheaper your pre-sale token in the wallet, and the more CWT you can stack for reward. So if you hold more, you earn more. You can bring your friends, stack faster. This is what a top crypto pre-sale looks like. So before I go over the whole Cold Wallet experience, first let's talk about the project utilities, guys, okay? Because there's a lot here that you definitely should know. They're intuitive, user-friendly, no frills, no fuss, just a clean, easy to use crypto wallet interface, okay? They have cross-chain swapping, where you swap multiple chain tokens across multiple blockchains without any hassles, guys, okay? So very easy to use. Their rewards program, where you can earn rewards on every single swap, refer friends, and get a cut when they trade. Cold Wallet rewards you in USDT for swaps and referrals, maximizing your earnings. Unified wallet balances is also another thing that they boast, guys. There's no need to switch between crypto wallets. You can manage all Web3 assets seamlessly from one smart dashboard. They have easy coin listing applications as well, guys. They've made it easy for projects to apply to get more visibility, more supported blockchains, more choice, more control. Their invoicing is also made simple, so you can create and send invoices in crypto or fiat effortlessly, built for freelancers and businesses that won't settle for slow payments. They're also fast and flexible. This is huge, guys. All right, so now that we've gone over that, let's talk about what they have on their website here. So the non-custodial by design. You hold the keys, you call the shots. Not one, not them, not anyone can touch your crypto, guys. Only you. All right, multi-chain, one wallet, Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, all clean, unified balance, no bridges, no juggling tabs, just in your full portfolio in one place. You can buy, sell, swap, seamless AF. I love that, guys. You know what AF stands for. I say it all the time. But yeah, on ramp, off ramp, or swap like a degen, it's all built in and stupidly smooth, guys. No more app hopping or sketchy third parties. You can also earn USDT as you go. Every time you swap, earn real USDT back, actual value, not vaporware points. Important. Super easy interface. You see it here on the right hand side, guys, and you can download it on the App Store or get it on Google Play. Very easy, guys. Just click these links, and here we are on the Apple App Store. 3.5 rating, guys, 29 ratings. Make sure and read through it. A lot of people like it, guys, so make sure and check it out. And of course, here they are on the Google Play Store. Over 500,000 downloads, 1.39k reviews. Crazy. A lot of people are using this on the Google Play Store, so check it out. So let's talk about the security of the platform. Again, this is massive. Security first always. They call it cold wallet for a reason, because self-custody should feel as secure as cold storage without the compromise. They've got time locked transactions, slow it down when it counts, add a delay between hitting send and the funds actually moving, gives you time to double check, cancel, or flag anything sketchy. Perfect for big movers or treasury wallets when you don't want to be touched without a breather. Then there's the biometric authentication. Face or fingerprint your wallet stays locked to you, not just a password that some phishing bot can guess. Built-in paranoia powered by your biology. The two-factor authentication. Passwords aren't enough. With 2FA, even if someone gets your login, guys, they're still locked out without your second key. Think of it as a digital deadbolt. Then the multi-sig transactions. One key not good enough. Multi-sig means 2 or more sign-offs or to move funds. Great for teams, DAOs, or anyone who doesn't trust, well, anyone, right? So the wallet lockdown. Nuke button for your wallet if something feels off. Freeze everything instantly. No transactions, no movement, just lockdown mode until you say otherwise, guys. So keep that in mind. With this rewards mindset, you can swap, refer, and earn, and soon do even more with CWT. Right now, guys, Cold Wallet is giving you USDT awards just for swapping and referring, and it works. But they're not just stopping there. This pre-sale, guys, is your chance to get in early on the next phase. CWT, or utility token, that will power the entire reward system. Soon, you won't just earn, guys, you'll offset fees or swaps, gas, ramps, unlock cashback tiers, and boost your referral rewards. It starts with the token. Stack CWT now while prices are still low. So let's talk about their roadmap a little bit. At Cold Wallet, they believe in transparency and clear goals. So what exactly does that mean? Well, guys, in phase 1, their pre-sale, where they are now, the CWT token goes live for early supporters. Buyers get the best pricing, early access perks, and rewards tracking right inside the app. Phase 2, which is the post-launch Q1 2026. The token gets listed, rewards kick in, users start earning CWT cashback on gas, swaps, and on and off ramps. Referral bonuses activate as well. For phase 3 expansion, Q2 2026 and beyond. Partner integrations, premium tier boosts, and advanced features are rolling out. Is actually big news for this platform, guys. Of course, looking into 2026 and beyond, 2027, keep going, guys. It's gonna be growing huge. I'm sure of it, because they want this project to last long term. Tokenomics, yes, the cash back on fees, pay gas, swap, on and off ramps, get a percentage back in CWT. The referral rewards, when you refer others, you'll earn a bonus CWT. Tiered utility, holding CWT unlocks higher cashback tiers up to 100% on gas fees, bigger stack, bigger paycheck. Vesting and reward pacing, pre-sale tokens unlock over time, cashback may vest depending on volume, built to last, not burn out. Okay, so supply and allocation. Total supply 10 billion tokens, guys. Pre-sale amount 4 billion, which is 40% of their token supply. Starting price 0.007. They're at 0.009 now. The final stage price 0.3503. The launch price estimate up to 50x from stage 1. Again, that is speculative, guys, so do your own research. Hopefully it reaches that, okay? Do your own research though. So for their pre-sale, available during the stage community sale, early buyers get the best pricing, 40%. The rewards pool for cashback, referrals, and loyalty programs programs, fueling real user value 25%. Liquidity, this is providing market making stability and supports CX and DX listings, that's 12%. The ecosystem growth used for integrations, campaigns, and strategic partnership 10%. Team and advisors vested over 2 to 4 years, no instant locks, aligned with long-term success 7%. Treasury, reserved for strategic development and future governance, needs 6%. Your questions that are answered. So FAQ, bottom of their page, guys, make sure and check it out. They're answering questions like, what is the presale for? Why should I buy? What does CWT actually do? Is Cold Wallet actually live? Lots here, guys. When you're doing your own research, this is a very, very good place to start. So check out the FAQ at the bottom of their homepage, guys. Let's check out their Twitter X page here. I'm gonna hit them with a follow, of course, because you know I gotta support them. But yeah, they're doing a lot, guys, tweeting a lot, lots of news about their platform. Make sure and check it out as part of your DD journey. Again, due diligence on them, guys. Here's their Telegram group, over 3,000 members in there. Their admins are very friendly and can help you out with any questions that you might have. Their Instagram page here as well, guys, so check them out.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's good.
Shout out to all my students. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lime Gang. Shout out to the Web Gang. Shout out to the Hot Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. Group hug, group hug. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out. Really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing some more crypto reviews and exclusive international blockchain events. We are the channel for that, guys, as you know. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.